Okay guys, welcome back to another video. This is Bacon Counterburst, and today we have Tornado Wyvron. It's a God Beyblade. God Beyblades are really good. All of them have special abilities, and this one has a free spinning energy layer. It's pretty cool. So we're just gonna get right into the unboxing. Scissors, please, sir. We have this ripcord, and then boom, these three. We can just put that over there. So first, I'll go with the worst. Not really the worst. You need this. The launcher. The launcher is just a regular launcher. That's all I have to say. It's good grip. It's probably the best out of all three Hasbro launchers that come in the regular packs. And now moving on, let's start with the disc. We have this disc, pretty cool, like a bluish teal, I don't know, aquamarine color. And then I was waiting to feel this free spinning, like ball tip atomic driver. And look, it's free spinning. It's like a rolling ball inside of there. That's the second piece. And moving on to the last piece, Tornado Wyvron itself. Boom. Last piece is cut. So the special ability about this is it has this free spinning piece. It's just an extra piece to the layer. If a Beyblade hits it, boom, 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 boom. Not going to do any damage. Well, it's going to lose stamina eventually, but this is all together. This amazing ball tip has this. I don't know if the ball tip can go inside. I don't think so. I think that's just turbo based. Then you have this. I thought I almost was like doing that to the Beyblade, but I'm just not used to having this. And we have this disc, of course, and that's really it, I guess. This ripcord, it's like the same as every other ripcord, and you have these pieces right here, and all together this makes a Beyblade set. Right here, let me show these pieces again, close up. Tornado Wyvron, just spinning around. You can spin this part too. And then you have the disc, and it also comes in two pieces, this and this, which I think these are the same. I have another one of these, and tell me if you think these look similar, like in the comments, because I think these ones look similar. Let me get this out. I don't know why this is always so hard. These, because they have these little things, they look like wings coming out. I'm getting kind of off topic, but yeah, I guess that's my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell me if you think Wyvron's good, and maybe in the next video we could do a test battle. Signing out.